Hey guys, it is Wednesday, the 8th of April. Hope you are doing well today. We're going to get into a little math here, and we're going to do converting some units. So we're going to do some inches, some feet, get up into miles, and we're going to do that for a couple of days. And I've got a little assignment I'm going to put up on IXL. It should be in our description here at the end for you to check out. So let's go through and get on the same page with some of our basic measurements. This is kind of what we were building to before we went on this little break, and we can do it together this way. So I think we know a couple of these. 12 inches. What do we say? 12 inches equals what? That's right, 1 foot. Three feet, right? Think about football. If you're a football fan, we in football go by yards. 3 feet equals 1 yard. 36 inches. Oh, look at that. 12 times 3, 36. 36 inches equals 3 feet. 3 feet equals 1 yard. And we are the Mile High City. Denver's at 5,280 feet above sea level. So 5,280 feet is 1 mile. When we get back to kind of normal things, if you get to a Rockies game, there's a big row all around the top of the stadium. It's purple seats. That's exactly a mile above sea level. All right, I'm going to put a few up here for us to practice together, and then I'm going to send you on your way to do a few more practice here and then on IXL. All right, so let's take a look. We got a few to practice here. Got them in the corner. 12 inches equals a foot. 36 inches equals a yard. 3 feet equals a yard. Sound good? All right. 48 inches. How many feet is that? I think you got to be that tall to ride the roller coasters, yes? So we're going to do, how can we figure it out? Well, 48 divided by how many inches in a foot? 12. 48 divided by 12 is 4 feet. We use division. 132 inches is how many feet? Well, how in the heck could we do that? Same thing. Inches in a foot, 132 divided by 12 is division 11 feet. 54 feet is how many yards? How can we do that? 3 feet in a yard. Well, again, 54 divided by 3. If you play 3 rounds of golf, you have 18 yards. 18 times 3 is 54. Again, 96 feet divided by yards. 96 divided by 3. Can you do that math? How about 32? So those are all division. Over here, we're going to have a little mix. We're going to have a little multiplication. 4 yards is how many inches? Well, there's 36 inches in a yard, so we're going to have to do 36 times 4. 36 times 4, what do we got? 144? Yep. 50 yards is how many feet? 50 times 3, 150. 11 feet is how many yards? Ooh, could have a little fraction there. How about 3 2/3 yards? We'll work on that one a little later this week. 272 feet is how many yards? I'm going to leave that one for you. I'm going to pause, write a couple for us to work on, and then send you to a link. All right, here's your assignment. Got 6 problems, and I'm also going to put a link for you to try in IXL. It's going to be even easier than this. So here's where we left off. 272 feet is how many yards? I'm going to let you figure that one out. 416 yards is how many feet? 20 yards is how many inches? 144 inches is how many feet? 618 feet is how many yards? And 5,280 feet is how many yards? All multiplication and division. Use this to help you. And your third secret letter. Third secret letter.